let's try and do a cycle counting which will require approval. So what we can do is we can go ahead and go to the cycle counting, or we can inquire that cycle counting test 1, open this, go to adjustment, and here we will put some tolerance. So if out of tolerance, and tolerance is very low, so maybe 1% here and there both side, or this is the quantity variance, one quantity vary each side will give you the approval required flag as yes. So I can just save this and try to see if catches this. All right, so we'll go ahead and perform the next count. Next count, if I see my count request is for Western Digital, oh sorry, WD50201. So let me see what's the on hand quantity. WD50201. Okay, all right. So I'll go to material workbench to quickly see what's the on hand quantity, and then I'll filter this by bulk and B2.1.1, and then find, scroll right, I get on hand quantity is currently as 100, and let's do a cycle count and we'll declare as 90, let's say normal. So go to the number 1, I'm going to select CC test 1, I want to do a bulk, go to bulk and B2.1.1. I have to scan this subunit and locator once I'm there in that particular aisle. I know the item code is, I can copy paste, I think, yeah, and then I declare this time 100 is there, as so I put like 95, so 5 is the discrepancy, and say done. So this transaction is successful, and then I'll go to the cycle counting approve count request, and I can just enter and search CC test 1 and find, say, query yes. Yeah, so as you see, this one has come again, and -5 is the adjustment, so it has all the records. So item system quantity was 100, adjustment is -5, so you will go 95 because that's what has been entered, right? You can also see what was the count details. So 95 was entered. Who has done this counting? Ivan Hilersky. If you want to reject or recount, then he has to count one more time. So you can ask them to count one more time as well, and or you can reject this. If I reject this, then 95 will not be set in the system. System will remain as 100 quantity. So I gotta approve. I can click this button and save this. So the approval adjustment is getting processed, and there's an adjustment account that is out there. So with this we can post the adjustment. So this is done. So I'll go ahead and check the material workbench whether the quantity has been reset to 95 or not. So I've got a bulk and B2. All right, so I got the same location, and you see the quantity has set to 95. So with the help of approver, one can actually control whether the adjustment is right or wrong. So you can set to 95, and that's it. So this was a quick scenario of doing cycle counting using MSCA screen, and also performing an approval in between. So thank you very much for watching this video.